In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the app icon on Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To change your app icon, you must need to convert your image file into an ISO file. Let me show you how you can do this. First, open a browser and search for image to ISO converter. Now open any of this website and upload your image file and click on Start. Once the process is complete, then click on Download button. Now you need to copy your ISO file. Let's close this window. Now right click on your app, click Show More option and then click on Properties. Then click on Change icon and then click on Browse. Now choose your file location and then choose the ISO file and click on Open and hit OK. Now again click on OK. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily change the app icons on Windows 11.